The Eze Slot Foundation, in partnership with GIZ and the Lagos State Technical Vocation Board, Lastveb, has graduated 90 Nigerian youths in the mobile phone laptop repair skills acquisition program.
There's a linkage between the government's agenda of reducing the high unemployment rate and our partnership, Lastveb's partnership with GIZ and Slot for the computer hardware and phone repair. So what this has done, about 98 people graduated today, and all of them have that potential to be able to get jobs. In fact, some of them already have jobs.
The training program was designed to impact positively on the skills of beneficiaries, sharpen their entrepreneurial skills, broaden their horizon, provide competitive advantage, and equip them in acquiring 21st century skills in line with the present administration's themes agenda.
Under the Lagos State themes agenda and our overall economic development, human capital development is very, very important. It's important because the government believes that when we have youth that are highly skilled, it gives them more opportunity to become self-employed or to realize their potential fully.
Vocational skill is the only way we can help young people, or rather, it's one of the ways we can help young people to acquire skills that they can use to become someone that can create value in the future. Our program, our foundation is so geared towards ensuring that young people spend time to acquire skills that will help them become people that can create value in the future.
We have started this collaboration between Lastveb, Slot and us about more than 1 year ago. And it was about a training as IT and phone repair technicians. And I can say that this has been a very successful partnership, as we could see today.
The trainees have been positioned alongside their contemporaries globally as the program focused on producing employers of labor and skilled professionals in their areas of specialization.
Over this past 1 year, I have learned a lot, particularly about fixing devices. Normally, I would never have thought life would bring me this way, but here I am. I am a technician who can fix smartphones and possibly even laptops. I want to say a big thank you to Slot Foundation, to GIZ, and finally Lastveb.
I've seen a lot of programs introduced on social media, and most times some of them turn out to be scam. So when I was introduced to this, I actually thought it was scam. But with the encouragement of the principal of WAPA Egbeda Center, I decided to enroll for it. No regret whatsoever. From day one to today, the graduation day, I have no regret.
The vision of this partnership with Lastveb is to enable thousands of youths in Lagos to acquire vocational training in mobile phones and laptop engineering, hence encouraging employability and self-employment.